Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom labels for the AIRHEADS XTREMES 2-ounce pack of candy. We're going to be working over on Canva. I'm going to show you how to create a template for these labels. That way you always have a blank template available when you need to create new labels. We're going to be printing and we're going to assemble. So make sure you watch the entire video. If you find the video helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to canva.com. We can either select the shortcut option for the certificate, which the page size is 11 by 8.5 inches. We can also go up here to create a design, select custom size, make sure it's in inches, and put in 11 by 8.5 and select create a new design. Once your blank page pulls up, we can head on over to elements, scroll down to shapes, select our shape, and now we can start creating our template. Alright, so at this point in the video, I am using the pre-made version of this template, which is the exact same template I just showed you all how to create. The only difference is I have already set up everything for you. Now this top gray area here, we're not going to put anything there, no text or anything. We're going to be using this area for gluing. You can select each section of this template to change the color. You can go up here to the color tab to change the background color. You can go over to the upload tab to upload all of your images and clip arts that you want to use in your design. You can head over to the text tab to add text to your labels. I have also included some freebies for you guys. You can find those on the second page here. You can find the logo. I have the original logo and I have an editable logo where you can change the color, the two different colors of the logo. You can't change the text, but you can change the color here. And I have also included a birthday nutrition facts label. These are freebies. So if you're interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. Now let's get to the fun part. I'm about to quickly create a design, print, and assemble. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. You can find the links to all the materials that I use to assemble in the description box down below if I have it available. For those of you who are interested in the pre-made version of this template, where I have already created the template for you and set everything up, you can find that link down below also. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.